Hi everyone, it's Lan with GreenLanGrow. So the time has finally come for us to transplant our super sugar snap peas. Come take a look at these little cute and courageous seedlings. They survived 3 atmospheric rivers since the day they were planted in this tray. I am so glad that they braved this crazy weather just to get to transplant day. Guess what? Super sugar snap peas are a great addition to any garden, not just mine. Not only are they easy to grow, but they provide a crunchy snack that's high in fiber and protein. They are definitely one of my favorite plants to munch on. Without further ado, let's get these seedlings to their new and final home. The first step is to choose a good location for your sugar snap peas. They need full sun and well-draining soil. So make sure to pick a spot in your garden that meets these requirements. These growing pots are perfect for me because they're pre-trellised, it's in full sun, and this custom blend of soil is made by me and my family. You can learn how to make it with this link up above. Let's start with our first tray. Oh! Looks like the parsley's growing down. Better go trim some before the transplant so I can give it to my mom as a garnish for our dinner tonight. There we go. There we go. There we go. Wonderful. The key to a successful transplant is to dig a hole that's deep enough to accommodate the entire root system, but don't make it so deep that the plant stem is covered. I'm carrying all of my tools on this handy dandy belt that my sister got for me on Christmas. I'll use one of my little shovels here to dig a hole. My sister's actually the one behind this camera who's videotaping the whole thing. So my thanks goes to her. That hole looks big enough for my plants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my seedling out. I will gently squeeze it along the sides. And I will have this little black mini spoon to help me take it out. There we go. You can see it's been left in the tray for quite a bit of time, so the root is pretty well bunched up. I'm going to put it in here, and I will cover it up. Perfect. There we go. I'll proceed to do this for the rest of the plants. I'll be planting my peas to the close of the base of the trellis so that it will climb up a lot easier than usual. It's a good idea to water your plants right after they've been transplanted. There we go. That's it. So for these last peas, I'm experimenting growing in ground. I will finish transplanting these 3 last peas. Alright, let's recap. First, you choose a good location that's in full sun, and make sure the soil is well draining. Don't forget to find a place with trellises because super sugar snap peas are climbers. You want to dig a hole that's big enough to accommodate the roots of your plants. Then, place your plant in the hole and gently tamp it down to ensure good soil to root contact. Water the plants generously and continue to water them regularly after they've been transplanted. Transplanting super sugar snap peas is really that simple. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming content. Thank you!